Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. Get yourself a cup of coffee. I got a package in the mail a couple of months ago. I've been trying to get to it. This is from Uncle Ed. And why am I sharing this with you? Well, it's not because he sent it to me. It's because if you're a turkey hunter, I think you'll like what was in this box. If you're a turkey hunter, and I got thinking this morning that, oh, there it is. Put the box down on the ground. I only got so many hands. We got fall turkey hunting coming. And Uncle Ed, he makes these turkey calls. He said he likes to think outside of the box. Now, I'll give you a close-up of this before we finish. But this thing is absolutely beautiful. I'll come up here. Hopefully you can see that. But look at that turkey call. It's got a nice back on it. Whoop. I'm probably not doing it justice, Ed, but there it is. Those of you that want a different kind of turkey call and one that's handmade from a turkey hunter, there you go. He sent a little note with it. It got his email address, telephone number. So in this video, I will put he's from Alabama. I guess down there they call him Uncle Ed. So I call him Uncle Ed. But anyways, he builds all kinds of different kinds of turkey calls. And this, I guess, is one of his newest models. But you can see in there. And now I know that I won't probably do it justice for you real turkey hunters. But it's just a work of art. And I've seen other things that he does. He does bone stuff, drawing on antlers and drawing on bones. It's kind of a hobby for him. But look him up. Like I said, I'll give you his email address. This one didn't have a price on it, but he did give me a price list a while back, and they were very, very reasonable. So check him out, Uncle Ed, and at least talk to the guy. He's a heck of a nice guy. He sends me emails all the time. I don't mind him at all, Uncle Ed. It's just sometimes I get busy and I can't answer each and every one of them really quick, that's all. And that's the rest of you the same way. I've been a little bit dragging my feet on the comments, but I've got a lot going on right now. I was talking to my wife the other day. We're in another hot, humid day out here. But anyways, I can't remember a summer that I've been so busy. So I got more irons in the fire than I could shake a stick at right now. We've got some family things going on. My mother had an issue about a month ago where she ended up in the hospital. So she's 82 years old. And so we've had to deal with that. So there's been more things going on than behind the scenes, and most of you know. So be patient with me on the comments. Like I said, and you know, answering comments for each video usually takes me roughly about 4 hours if I sit right there and work right at it. So that's kind of, so you know, sometimes I just don't have the 4 hours to spend, and that's what's been going on the last 3 weeks. I just haven't, you know, I put out 2 videos a week on YouTube, so that works out to 8 hours a week that I usually try to answer them in the morning time when I'm having my coffee, but sometimes I don't get them all done at that point. But you guys understand, I know. It's just, be patient. But do know this, I read absolutely every comment that you send to me. I just might not have time to answer it that day, so I read absolutely every comment. Same thing with the emails. I read absolutely every email that comes in. sometimes I forget I didn't answer it, but I still have read it. So one of them, Stacy, you sent me an email a week ago. I thought I answered it, but then I got thinking I didn't answer it because I was sharing it with my wife. So I will get to your email. I don't think you mind sharing it. Stacy had a really bad day here about 2 weeks ago. I can't remember everything that was in the email, but it was a really bad day. The thing that stuck out to me the most was his daughter got stuck on the railroad tracks with a four-wheeler. And then the train came by. So I was thinking, holy crap, this isn't good. Daughter was all right. I guess just a little bit of damage on the four-wheeler, but so nothing major, but more, forget the four-wheeler, the kid was all right. So Stacy, I did get your email. And then like I said, I was sharing the pictures that you sent me with my wife, and then a few days later I remembered I didn't answer the email. I was sharing it with my wife and then got moved on. We were just talking about your bad day. So, but anyways, that's a little bit of what's going on behind the scenes right now, and it's probably not going to get any better for at least the next 2 months. I would say all of September and then all of October. When I get into deer season, then I'll be in my hunting camp over on Beaver Creek, so then I'll have some time in the evenings to we'll also have a live stream and all of that. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to do a behind the scenes here, share a nice turkey call for you guys that are into turkey hunting. If you want a nice handcrafted, and I would say pretty close to one of a kind, because I've seen, I don't know how many different turkey calls he sent me pictures of, as well as the ones he sent the boys back in the spring. So, but check out Uncle Ed. Check out Uncle Ed and his turkey call. I'll come up here. Hopefully you can see that. But look at that turkey call. It's got a nice back on it. Whoop. I'm probably not doing it justice, Ed, but there it is. Those of you that want a different kind of turkey call and one that's handmade from a turkey hunter, there you go. So that'll do it for this week. Like I said, things are crazy here right now, but they will get better. Next week I am headed up. I'm headed back up to the cabin to put a coat of paint on the boat. So I'll be bringing you guys along for that. That's where the boat series is gone. When things fell apart here a month ago, family-wise, I kind of had to put a bunch of stuff on the back burner. So that's been on the back burner for a month. I'm sitting here in front of the fish house for a reason. If we don't have ice to put the fish house on, well, we can at least sit by the fish house and think about ice fishing. So I just thought this might make a good spot for it. So have a cup of coffee with me. My coffee's over there on the truck. But have a cup of coffee on your way out, and I will see you next week.